Good morning. In behalf of the National Consumer Affairs Foundation and the Gold Seal of Quality Awards Committee, I would like to acknowledge the officers of AIM Global, headed by, of course, the ever-energetic and charismatic Dr. Ed Cabantog. Let's give him a big hand, please. Of course, lest we forget the lovely and supported wife of Dr. Cabantog, Dr. Connie Cabantog. Let's give her a big hand. And of course, without Mr. Raymond John Asperin and Engineer Francis Miguel, who are the kasama ng ating visionary president, AIM Global would not have been today. As the #1 MLM global company, not only the Philippines, but in the world. Yeah. The Gold Seal of Quality Award is a prestigious consumer's tribute conferred on world-class consumer products and companies based on quality product or corporate features and consumer general acceptability. The Gold Seal of Quality Awards Committee would like again to salute Alliance in Motion as #1 global MLM direct sales company. The 24/7 Naturaceutical as #1 nutraceutical food supplement. Yeah. And of course, Liben Alkaline Coffee as #1 health alkaline coffee. It is indeed a milestone that in just a little over 6 years of operation since March 2006, Alliance in Motion Global has established its presence in major regions in the country and some parts of the world. As pro-distributor marketing company, AIM Global has indeed proven to be a foremost distributor of quality products and services through distinctive marketing strategies, excellent products, and exemplary leadership that secures its stable success, not only in our country, comparable to other successful MLM companies worldwide. At malupit po, guys, is what impresses me is that AIM Global has produced millionaires among our Filipino kababayans. Yes. Yeah. And has helped many to achieve financial freedom. Talagang wala na akong masabi. #1 ang AIM Global ngayon among any other homegrown network companies. Sa AIM Global, yayaman kayo, makakatulong pa tayo sa kapwa. At iyan ay through, in behalf of the National Consumer Affairs Foundation, is impressed by all its civic works under the Live Foundation. Let's give a big hand to Dr. Connie and of course the Board of Directors for having among us the AIM Global. Again, congratulations to AIM Global and its quality products for a recognition well-deserved. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang AIM Global.
Thank you, Mr. Navea. Moving back, we now hear the message from the President of the Philippine Business Profiles and Perspectives Incorporated, Mr. J.M. Guanyo.
AIM Global Incorporated for achieving the top 1,072 rank among the top 8,000 corporations in the Philippines. Your achievement is truly remarkable and commendable. May you continue to be a source of inspiration to your distributors and colleagues in the business community. Wishing you more business success as you aim higher in the coming years. Congratulations once again.